Hi guys, let's make these cute lavender flowers using pipe cleaners. With a piece of tissue paper, cut it into 7.5 inches. Apply glue at the edge of the tissue paper. Place the dowel and roll it so that the tissue would wrap around the stick. Cover the tissue with the violet colored paper. Set it aside. Get your pipe cleaners and divide it into quarters. Fold each piece at the center, and this will be your petal. You may be needing 50 to 60 petals to make one flower. Using a hot glue, attach each petal to the stem. I am using 3 petals in a row. Arrange the second layer in a way that the petals will cover the interspaces between the preceding layer. Repeat this process until we cover the violet part of the stem. It's time to make the leaf. Using 2 green pipe cleaners, we make a cross, twist it, and pull it down. Stretch it a little bit, straighten it up, and we lock them all together at the bottom. Cover the rest of the stem using a floral tape. Attach the leaf and secure it with the floral tape. Bend the petals the way you like it to make it look fuller. And we're done! Aren't they so pretty? Happy crafting, everyone!